form which have been distributed. So from 3rd of November we started the distribution of the enumeration form. Total number of electors in South Goa district as of now is 6,32,010. So this many number of enumeration forms have been distributed, and out of that 5,76,583 forms have been returned, and it has been digitized, verified and digitized. We have taken a meeting with the political parties to communicate to them how many number of absentee, shifted and death cases are there. We have officially given to them that list of ASTD cases also. Coming to the numbers of ASTD cases, we have 12,378 cases of dead waters in the list. We also have untraceable or in absent category 17,918 cases. We have permanent shifted category mean to 23,080 waters, and in others we have around 968. So total number of ASTD cases in South Goa district after the enumeration phase is coming to 55,427, which is making 8.77% of the total number of registered voters. So total number of enumeration forms which have been verified and digitized is 91.23%, and total number of ASTD cases is 8.77%. Now the draft roll will be published on 16th of December. Once the draft roll is published, anyone who is having a grievance can file a claim or an objection, and from 16th of December onwards till 16th of December onwards, 15th of Jan, we'll be taking the hearings based on the claims and objection, and to other people whom we are serving the notice, and after that we will be publishing the final roll. In ACs, what has happened is, especially where there is migrant population, we have given the forms. Now distribution of forms, when AC has given us that option, in case when you are visiting that person is not there, affix a notice and put the enumeration form in his home through the door. Now when we are going to collect it back, although his family members can file it, when there are migrant cases, we have to take abundant caution. So we were like checking whether that person is there or not. If that person is not there in Goa, if he is permanently shifted, or if he is a migrant voter who is no longer in Goa, we wanted to verify that to be there, to be on the abundant caution. It's not like BLOs have not taken it. They were asking the person to be present, so they were going there again.
तुम्ही पळयतात गोंयकारपण, गोंयकारांचो गोंयकारा खातीर.